It's gone. So we gotta put the tooth under the pillow.
Put the tooth fairy thing.
What is it?
Oh my god.
The money.
The monies. Where's the rest? Come on. What about the rest, Cyrus? I think she left you more.
Let's go check. Let's go check. Let's go check. Let's go check.
See?
Woo! What is that?
This money's a bag.
How much is that?
$2.
$2.
What? 2.
Let's see your money. Oh wow, you rich. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna go buy?
I can't buy the store.
You going to the store? What are you gonna buy?
I can buy the purpose.
You going to Publix?
I buy the hotel.
You gonna go buy the hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to the hotel?
Yes.
Okay.